Hello po, pwede po ba na isang maleta lang yung dalhin namin? 27 inches, good for 2 passenger. Tas ang estimated weight capacity is 32 kilos, ang ibig sabihin niya. Tapos yung photo na naka-attach is yung kanilang ticket na may nakalagay na baggage allowance for two person na meron silang 20 kilos each. Hello everyone, and hello, it's Angelis. This is Jazz, and we've been traveling for 11 years. To answer your question po, yan, habang nag-empake tayo for our winter trip, ay sa aming experience, hindi ko pa na-try na one luggage lang for two passenger. Pero ang na-try namin from our South Korea trip last winter then, last year, flight from South Korea to Manila na. Pauwi na kami nun. Is etong luggage na to, dahil meron kaming tig 20 kilos din na baggage allowance, Cebu Pacific din yun, is nag more than 20 kilos siya. Tapos yung pang hand carry namin na luggage, hindi na namin siya hand carry, sinama na namin siya as luggage. Number 2, wala pa siyang 20 kilos, pero ito more than 20 kilos. So, possible siguro, wag lang pong lalagpas siguro ng 40 kilos. Ito rin po yung mismong luggage kung saan yung video na nag-comment po kayo. Ayun lang, thank you and God bless.